Hello everyone, this is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. Today we are doing a vocabulary lesson all about the difference between a few and few. So let's start. A few and few are quantifiers. Quantifiers describe the number or quantity of something. And the general meaning of a few and few is a small number of something. Example. So the situation is that there are 5 towels in the bathroom. So we can say there are a few towels in the bathroom. This is correct, and this sentence describes this situation. But we can also say there are few towels in the bathroom. That is also grammatically correct, and it describes this situation. So both sentences are grammatically correct, but there is an important difference in meaning. So there is quite a big difference in meaning between these two sentences. So let's look at the difference between a few and few. Another situation. Mark has 3 friends. Jane also has 3 friends. So that is the situation. Mark says, I have a few friends. A few means a small number. However, Mark is satisfied with the number. Okay? That's important. So a few, it simply means some. And the feeling or opinion is neutral. The tone is neutral. Mark, he is not disappointed. He is not criticizing. It is a neutral sentence. He is just saying, I have some friends. Jane says, I have few friends. And few means a small number also. But Jane is not satisfied with the number. Therefore, few suggests that the small number is not enough. So Jane is in fact disappointed with only having 3 friends. It has a negative feeling. There is a negative tone. Therefore, few suggests that Jane would prefer to have more friends. Okay? So notice that both sentences are grammatically correct. And also, both sentences correctly describe the situation. Notice that Mark and Jane have the same number of friends. But the big difference is the difference in opinion and feeling. So the difference is the point of view or the opinion. This is more negative. Let's look at 3 examples. Example 1. Mark says, my manager sent me a few emails yesterday. Mark received 3 emails yesterday. And this suggests that Mark does not have a negative feeling about receiving 3 emails. The tone is neutral and objective. The meaning is simply, my manager sent me some emails yesterday. So there is no criticism, there is no judgment, there is no real opinion. It is neutral. Jane says, my manager sent me few emails yesterday. Jane also received 3 emails. But few emails suggests that Jane was expecting more. The tone is slightly negative, so she is being slightly critical of her manager. She was expecting to receive more than 3 emails. Example 2. The situation is Mark and Jane are both journalists, and they are each writing an article about a football player called Wayne Rooney. Wayne Rooney is an English football player. Here he is. So, the situation is that Wayne Rooney scored 12 goals last season. That is the context. So, in Mark's article, Mark writes, Rooney scored a few goals last season. Therefore, this sentence is objective and neutral. There is no judgment. He is not criticizing Wayne Rooney. Jane, however, writes, Rooney scored few goals last season. Now this sentence suggests that Jane has a negative opinion. She is slightly criticizing Wayne Rooney. And maybe Jane thinks that 12 goals was not enough. Okay? So both are grammatically correct, and there is only one extra word here, the word a, but there is quite a big difference in tone and meaning. Example 3. Sarah says, I left school with a few qualifications. This sentence is objective and neutral. Sarah seems satisfied with her qualifications. So here she is. David, however, he says, I left school with few qualifications. Now this sentence suggests that David has a negative opinion. Few qualifications is emphasizing the small number. David is perhaps not satisfied with his qualifications. Countable and uncountable nouns. It is important to know that we use a few and few only with countable nouns. Example, I have a few tickets. I have few tickets. Ticket is a countable noun, so both of these sentences are grammatically correct. But we do not use a few and few with uncountable nouns. So this is wrong. I have a few water. I have few water is also wrong. Water is an uncountable noun. For uncountable nouns, we use a little and little. and I have made another video lesson about using a little and little with uncountable nouns. So you can click here on the screen to start that video. Okay, so there we are. That is the end of the lesson. Here are some other videos which I think will help you. To start the video, simply click on the screen. Okay, so my name is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. Thanks for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.